landslide risks, and widespread disruptions. The storm came ashore in Wakayama Prefecture at around 4:30 a.m., dumping heavy rain across large parts of the country. Authorities briefly issued the highest level 5 flood emergency warning for the Koza River in Wakayama Prefecture, warning of an imminent threat to life. The alert was lifted shortly before 9 a.m., but officials continued to urge residents to remain on guard. In Tokushima Prefecture, floodwaters trapped a woman inside her car. She was able to escape before conditions worsened. In Kawazu Town, Shizuoka Prefecture, a hillside suddenly gave way near a railroad crossing, apparently triggered by intense rainfall from the typhoon. A torrent of mud and debris surged down the slope, burying part of the Izu-Kyuko railway in mud and debris. The rushing debris continued downhill and slammed into a home below the crossing, with mud reportedly pouring into the house itself. Rail service on the entire Izu-Kyuko line had already been suspended as Typhoon number 6 approached. Heavy rain also caused significant disruptions in Tokyo. At Tokyo's Ikebukuro station, water had run down from the station's ceilings of the platforms. Also in Kitasenju station as well. Many people going to work had been wet this morning at Shinjuku station, one of the terminal stations. Rising floodwaters were seen creeping toward homes, with water levels approaching roads directly in front of residential properties. Also in central Tokyo, at Ginza Station, staff were cleaning up the water that flooded into the metro's passages. In Tokyo's Adachi ward, a video captured a tunnel inundated by floodwater, highlighting the impact of the storm. The storm also knocked out power. The Tokyo Electric Power Company said about 6,050 households across the Kanto region were without electricity as of around 9:30 a.m., including roughly 1,200 in Tokyo and nearly 2,800 in Chiba.